Welcome back. Today's video I want to show you guys how I like to do my summer hairstyle. My hair is in a bun right now. I think this hairstyle is the best on a day or two old hair like mine. Kind of dirty and grimy right now, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Well, first divide my hair into half. Be the ice pack. Will I ever grow to the guy that I think of? I'ma get this slow as the sky that I dream of. Yeah. Hey, voiceover Lili taking over. So for me, I like the messier look. So I'm not parting my hair perfectly, as you can see. I'm just grabbing whatever front section I see. And essentially what you want to do is start Dutch or French braiding at the crown of your head. Right now I'm Dutch braiding. To do that, there are plenty of videos on YouTube that will give you a much better explanation than me, but basically you want to section your hair into threes and braid normally. Take a section of your hair from the right and bring it under the middle strand. Take a section from the left and also bring it in the middle strand and braid. Repeat until you get something like this. Then you can quickly secure the braid with a small elastic. If you have colorful hair ties, I think it will add more personality to the look. Camel like, always thirsty. Will I ever grow to the guy that I think of? I'ma get this slow as the sky that I dream of. Gotta do, don't say. I'ma get it in when I start today. You want to lightly pull some hair strands from the front and then style. I'll be right back. Yeah, daddy so wants a flight back. And with a curling iron, I'm just adding some final touches. If you have natural wavy or curly hair, even better, you can skip this step. I'm just adding more volume to my hair. I'ma catch you in my dreams, love. Oh, and don't forget to curl the pigtails. It does make a difference. Very cute summer hairstyle look.